If your skin has been feeling dull, unbalanced, or just not at its best, the right facial toner can be the game changer you need. Toners help remove leftover impurities, balance your skin's pH, and prep it for serums and moisturizers. But not all toners are made the same. Some hydrate, some exfoliate, and others target pores or oil control. In today's video, we'll go through the best toners for face, ranking the top number 1 to number 5. Let's find the one that will truly transform your skincare routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Pixi Glow Tonic Pixi Glow. Tonic is a cult favorite exfoliating toner that's been loved by skincare enthusiasts for years. Designed to give you that radiant, post-facial glow. It uses a gentle but effective formula to sweep away dead skin cells and reveal fresher, smoother skin underneath. Its signature orange-tinted bottle has become a staple in beauty cabinets worldwide, thanks to its consistent results and skin-friendly formula that works for most skin types, especially those seeking brighter and more even-toned complexions. Key features. This toner's star ingredient is 5% glycolic acid and alpha hydroxy acid AHA, known for its exfoliating properties. It's infused with aloe vera to soothe and hydrate, ginseng to invigorate and improve circulation, and botanical extracts for added nourishment. The formula is alcohol-free, which helps avoid excessive dryness or irritation with regular use. It encourages gentle cell turnover, helping to fade discoloration and smooth out rough texture without harsh scrubbing. Benefits and usage. The Pixi Glow Tonic brightens the skin, evens tone, and improves texture over time. It helps refine pores and remove the dull layer that builds up due to dead skin cells. To use. Apply it after cleansing using a cotton pad or by patting it in with your hands. Start with 3 times a week and increase to daily use if your skin tolerates it well. Always follow with SPF in the morning, since AHAs can increase sun sensitivity. Usability. This toner absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue, making it easy to layer under serums and moisturizers. The mild exfoliation is suitable for both beginners and experienced acid users. Its refreshing feel after application makes it a pleasant step in both morning and evening routines. The pump or twist cap packaging allows for controlled dispensing to avoid waste. Durability. A standard 250 milliliters bottle lasts around 2 to 3 months with daily use, making it a good value for its performance. The formula remains stable if stored away from direct sunlight, and many users find consistent results bottle after bottle. Its balanced blend of exfoliation and hydration keeps skin improvements long-lasting. When maintained in a regular skincare regimen, second spot, we have Klairs Unscented to Nurse. Klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner is a gentle, hydrating toner designed for those with sensitive or fragrance-reactive skin. It's a fragrance-free version of the brand's original formula, retaining the same skin-loving benefits but without any essential oils. This makes it ideal for people who want maximum hydration and skin barrier support, without potential irritants, giving skin a calm, plump, and refreshed feel. Key features. This toner contains a blend of plant-based extracts, hyaluronic acid, and beta-glucan for deep hydration. It's formulated with skin-soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica and amino acids that help restore balance. Its pH is slightly acidic, aligning with the skin's natural level to maintain a healthy barrier. The lightweight, watery texture allows for quick absorption without heaviness. Benefits and usage. The Klairs Unscented Toner helps replenish moisture, reduce redness, and prepare skin for better absorption of serums and creams. It's especially beneficial for dehydrated, sensitive, or compromised skin barriers. To use. Pour a small amount into your palms and pat it directly onto cleansed skin, or layer it multiple times for extra hydration. It can be used both morning and night without any irritation risk. Usability. The non-sticky, fast-absorbing formula works well under makeup and skincare products. It's a versatile toner that can be applied in multiple layers, making it a flexible choice for changing skin needs throughout the year. The packaging is sturdy and leak-proof, making it suitable for travel as well. Durability. A 180 milliliters bottle typically lasts 2 to 3 months with regular use. Since the formula is concentrated in hydration, even a small amount delivers significant moisture. The lack of volatile essential oils means it remains stable for a long time when sealed properly, ensuring consistent quality. And number 3 is the Thayer's Rose Petal Witch Hazel Toner. Is a long-standing favorite known for its natural, alcohol-free formula and refreshing botanical scent. Combining the astringent benefits of witch hazel with the hydrating and soothing properties of rose water, this toner offers a balanced approach to refining pores and calming the skin. It's suitable for all skin types, but especially loved by those with combination or oily skin. Key features. This toner features aloe vera for hydration, witch hazel extract for gentle toning, and rose flower water for soothing effects. The witch hazel is non-distilled to preserve tannins, which contribute to its antioxidant properties. The alcohol-free nature of the formula ensures it won't strip the skin or cause dryness. The light rose fragrance is naturally derived and subtle. Benefits and usage. Thayer's Rose Petal Toner helps minimize the appearance of pores, balance oil production, and refresh skin without irritation. The rose water adds a calming, luxurious feel while helping maintain hydration. To use. Apply with a cotton pad after cleansing or splash directly onto the face for a quick refresh. During the day, it works well as a base before applying serums and moisturizers. Usability. The lightweight texture absorbs quickly, leaving skin soft and ready for the next step. It's gentle enough for twice daily use and can double as a midday skin pick-me-up. The large bottle and easy-to-use cap make it convenient for both home and travel routines. Durability. The generous 355 milliliters bottle size ensures it lasts a long time, often 3 months or more with regular use. The stable formula maintains its freshness and potency when stored at room temperature, and the natural ingredients remain effective throughout the bottle's lifespan. Taking our 4th spot is Roche-Posay Effaclar Clarifying Solution. Is an exfoliating toner targeted toward oily and acne-prone skin, designed to help unclog pores and smooth skin texture. It combines gentle acids to exfoliate while keeping irritation minimal. This dermatologist-recommended formula is part of the brand's Effaclar line, known for addressing blemishes and excess oil effectively. Key features. The toner contains a blend of 0.5% salicylic acid BA and 2% glycolic acid AHA to exfoliate both the skin surface and inside pores. It's alcohol-based for quick drying, which also helps control excess oil. The formula includes thermal spring water for its soothing and antioxidant benefits, ensuring that skin feels refreshed, not stripped. Benefits and usage. This toner is effective for minimizing breakouts, refining pores, and improving overall texture. Salicylic acid penetrates deeply to clear out pore congestion, while glycolic acid works on dull surface cells. To use, apply with a cotton pad once a day, preferably at night. Follow with a non-comedogenic moisturizer and use sunscreen during the day due to increased sun sensitivity. Usability. The lightweight liquid texture dries quickly, making it easy to follow with treatment products. While it's designed for oily and acne-prone skin, those with sensitive skin should start with every other day to assess tolerance. The slim bottle is travel-friendly and dispenses without mess. Durability. The 200 milliliters bottle lasts around 2 months with daily use. The acids remain stable when kept tightly sealed, ensuring consistent performance. Users often see noticeable improvements in skin clarity within a few weeks, and continued use helps maintain the result. Finally, at number 5, we have Paula's Choice Pore Reducing. Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner is a balancing, lightweight toner designed for normal to oily skin types. Its formula focuses on reducing the appearance of enlarged pores while delivering antioxidants. And hydration. This toner is fragrance-free and formulated with science-backed ingredients to strengthen the skin barrier and refine texture. Key features. The toner contains niacinamide, a multitasking ingredient that reduces pore size, improves skin elasticity, and brightens tone. It also features chamomile extract for soothing and a blend of hydrating agents to maintain moisture. Its pH-balanced formula supports the skin's barrier and works well under various skincare products. Benefits and usage. This toner works to smooth texture, visibly shrink enlarged pores, and give the skin a more refined, even look. Niacinamide helps regulate oil production, making it suitable for those with combination or oily skin. Apply after cleansing by either patting into the skin or using a cotton pad. It can be used twice daily without irritation for most skin types. Usability. The watery texture sinks in instantly without leaving any residue, making it perfect for layering with serums or makeup. Its fragrance-free formula is especially beneficial for sensitive skin users who want results without unnecessary additives. The bottle design allows for easy, controlled pouring. Durability. A 190 milliliters bottle typically lasts 2 to 3 months with consistent use. The stable, antioxidant-rich formula remains effective throughout its shelf life, and many users see lasting benefits with ongoing application, making it a dependable part of any skincare regimen. That's our list of the best toners. For face, from exfoliating glow-getters to calming hydrators, the right toner can be the missing link in your skincare routine, helping balance, refresh, and prepare your skin for everything that follows. Whether you're after brighter skin, fewer breakouts, or smaller-looking pores, there's an option here for you. Remember, consistency is key. Pick the one that matches your needs and stick with it. Your skin will thank you for it.